Hello, and welcome to my lab, where today I will be slicing jeans to turn them into jorts. You may have heard of the very many interesting hybrids of jeans, like jean shorts, jean skirts, and the very rare jean hat. Today's genetic experiment will be to slice jeans to turn them into jorts. Now, you could just grab a pair of lab-grown jorts, but the dye washed out of these immediately, and they just don't have the same form and fit as a pair of jeans would. So, we'll make our own. It is essential to start these off with well-worn jeans. You do not want to cut down a pair of jeans in the prime of its life. Trust me. Instead, we'll be using well-worn jeans that are fraying down at the hem there. Now, these are older jeans. They're 5 or 6 years old, so they are well worn in, they're docile, they will not fight back, and the fabric is softer. So, lay out your jeans, and then find a pair of shorts that you already like to use as your template. I'll be using these athletic shorts. Fold the shorts, line them up at the waistline, and then measure an extra ½ inch for your hem. As always, be careful with blades and use all lab equipment safely. I used a fabric cutter along with a cutting board so that I would not hurt myself or anything else important. Next, I used hem tape, which I ironed on, peeled off, and then folded over the fabric so that I could sew easily without having to worry about any fraying edges. Voila! Here's the final product. Now you too know how to create jorts using a scientific approach.